Sometimes it can be hard to find a sling that works great for travel. You want something small and lightweight, but also large enough to hold what you need for the day. I've been testing the Tomtoc Aviator travel sling for about a week now, and for me, it checks all the boxes on what I'm looking for in a travel sling. At 1.5 liters, it's the perfect size for a small travel sling. It holds enough for the day without being too bulky. I had always considered Tomtoc to be a budget brand. However, I've been consistently impressed with the quality they offer for the price. For example, the Navigator has quickly turned into one of my favorite travel backpacks. Tomtoc brought the same high quality to the Aviator sling, a Ripstop nylon fabric, large number 8 YKK zippers, a large durable nylon webbing strap, and a large Duraflex buckle. For me, the Aviator sling has just the right amount of organization. I'm looking for 2 smaller external pockets on the front and the back, and then a large middle pocket with further organization and pockets. This front pocket here sticks out from the bag, has its own volume, taking up maybe 1/3 of the volume of the whole sling. It sticks out to hold a lot of gear when you pack it full, but when you leave it empty, it does a good job of just laying flat. There's no further pockets or dividers in here, but there is a nice long key leash with a metal clip. The second external pocket is on the back. It's kind of hidden behind this fabric flap. This is going to take up the same amount of space as the front pocket, but this pocket is much thinner without its own volume. Finally, the main compartment, which is the most of the volume on this pack. It's large with a good amount of interior organization, but not so much that it takes away from the volume. On the back side is a separator sleeve, a little stretch there, and on the front, if you can see that, another stretchy mesh pocket with a zippered pocket. These pockets lay flat when you don't put anything in them, so you just have a big rest of the volume here in the main compartment for kind of whatever you want to stuff in here. The carry system is a thick nylon webbing strap. It's adjustable here through the buckle. However, it's a closed loop, so you don't have any dangling straps. It's a pretty basic, simple strap system. You just adjust it to whatever length you want. You can wear it around your waist, your front like this, slide it over the back. Basically, works great in any orientation you want to carry it. Then I just grabbed a big pile of gear so you can see kind of an example of how much you can fit in this thing and how big the pockets are. This thing is only 1.5 liters, so it's not gonna fit like a water bottle or a jacket or anything bulky like that unless you have a really tiny one. However, it does do a great job on holding kind of all your smaller electronics and gear. This is an Omni 6 gimbal that I've been testing out. This thing easily fits in the main compartment. There's even room on top for a few odds and ends. And there's still plenty of room in this front compartment, so I'm gonna put a battery pack and a charge cord. This back pocket is thinner, so a good place for a notebook or travel wallet is gonna fit perfectly in there. This is what it looks like with all that gear. It's packed pretty full, but not overstuffed. And just to show you again everything I have in here, this gimbal is a little bit bulky, but you can always switch that out with some smaller stuff, sunglasses, travel wallet, earbuds, travel adapter, pretty much anything you want to put in there. So I hope you liked this quick overview on the Tomtoc Aviator Sling 1.5 liters. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.